Welcome to the today's POT. It's captioned as hard, but I don't think it's a hard problem. It's a very medium problem. You can read out the question, and I will give you one hint, and you can go and try yourself. So these are the events given, and you can choose any k events, and you need to maximize your value. Value is the third index. Okay. So this is a question like in this 1 to 2 there is a value you will get profit, or you can say anything. You will get 4. Okay. And 3 to 4 there is an interval, you will get 3 profit. Okay. And 2 to 3 there is an event, you can get 1 profit. But in this question it is written that if event is ended at second day, you can't attend any other event on the same day. Okay. So this is considered as overlapping case. Okay. So in this you will choose 4 plus 3 and output will be 7, and it is your answer. Okay. In the second example, 1 to 2 you will get a value of 4. 3 to 4 you will get 3 profit, and 2 to 3 you will get 10 profit. Okay. So you are saying that if you will choose this moment, these are more in number, you are getting less profit, and if you choose only one event, it will give you more profit, 10. So the output is 10. Okay. So you can't think greedily. Of course, if you choose the high value events, maybe that are overlapping, small moments events can sum up to larger value. So of course you need to try all those things, and it comes under DP. So my hint is like every these type question you need to arrange it, sort it in some way, so that you get benefit from it. Okay. So this is the start time, this is the end time. Okay. So you need to know how many events are there which are like further it, and which you want to choose next. Okay. If you have chosen this event. Okay. So you need to find the upper bound, like how many start times, how many mean like what is the nearest start time that is more than current end time. Okay. So you will take this profit associated by it is in second index. Okay. You will take this profit and say call the recursion. I want to call it whatever the upper bound, let's assume it's j. So call from j, and now you have to choose k events. So now the events left is k minus 1, and no other information is needed in your state. Okay. These only, in which index you are in, and what is the amount of like how much k you can choose further. Okay. Then you can pass your array DPS as whatever you want. Okay. Then this is a array, this is a vector in which there is a vector, so there is no upper bound as such, so you need to write your own binary search. Okay. Or upper bound has some custom comparator, so you can search about it and do it. Okay. So I think this question is much easy. You have only two options. States, I think there is no, whenever DP question arise now, you just think whatever state you needed. Okay. So you only need that how many events you can choose now. Maybe you can choose 0 events, so there is no way of going further. Okay. So you need how many events you can choose, means k, and which index you are currently in. Okay. That only. Okay. So what was the option 1? We will take the element in this index, so we will take the value of this index. Okay. And call the recursion the same way I said. Or the second option is like you don't do anything, just skip this event completely, and now you are free to choose any event further. Okay. It is already sorted by start time. So algorithm is first is sort by start time. Okay. Second is find nearest start time which is more than end time, more than current index end time. This is the option 1. Or third is don't choose this index jump to index plus 1. Okay, take it or not take it. Okay, so let's write the solution. It's like quite easy. Okay, let's code this out. So recursion will return the maximum value. Okay, so what you will do to sort this a on the basis of n time. So you will write one custom comparator. Okay, that's it. And people generally declared dp at the global, but here no, it is not given that how much is the array length. It is only given that whatever it is, the multiplication of states k and length of the events will be less than 10 to the 6. So we can't declare globally, right? If you can, you can. And the value will be so much, so I am taking it in long. Okay. Let's fill this array with -1. Okay, n plus 2, n plus 5, anything we can do, no? It does not matter actually. Okay, so let's start. You will call the recursion. Sorry, what I am doing after sorting. Okay, I think memorization step I can tell you afterwards. Okay, let's write simply recursion. Okay, recursion will give you answer. Now you are at 0 index, k events you can choose, and your array is a. Okay, but it will take at last more time, so let's do it. Anyhow, I don't want to make this video long. Okay, so let's write a comparator. Comparator means it will take 2 vectors. Yeah, 2 vectors means like these vectors 1 2 4 3 4 3. Then you will decide on the first is the start time, no? Only on the basis of first index you will decide. Okay, so okay, let's take it. Okay, now you will call the recursion. Recursion will have the index, how many times, then a, then b, dp. Okay, fine. Call this a. Sorry, shit, I copied wrong. We are passing the dp, but pass it by reference, so that again and again it should not make the copy. It should use the same index only. Okay, what is this recursion will return? Return maximum value you can achieve till this index. Okay, now what will the base condition? Okay, what will be the answer? You can take this value by reference. Okay, and I think you know this thing. Okay, you can take it by reference, so that again and again in place of dp index k you can write answer. Okay, if answer is not equal to -1, it is not pre-calculated. We need to calculate this. So okay, we will calculate. How we will calculate? End option 1. What is the option 1? That take this value, whatever is the value is in second. Okay, and call the recursion on jth index. K minus 1 is left and a. What will the option 2? Option 2 is don't take this index. Okay, you will not gain the value also. Just ignore this event. Okay, and then you have like k events left and all these things. Okay, then what will be the answer? Max of these two options, and we will return your answer. Yep, hooray. Then only thing is left is what is j, or what is the base condition. Let's write base condition first. So what is the base condition? When your index reaches your length of the array. Okay, or what could be the, if there is no event left to choose. Okay, you just return 0. You are jumping to j, and j can be so much far also. So you can write index is more than. Okay, it will be more accurate condition. Okay, so let's calculate j now. Take upper bound of further events. So it's simple. Like low will be starting from index 11, high will be go till array size, and then while low is less than high, then what is the midpoint you can assume. I think bind research, I will make like every topic one video, in that you can get a little glimpse. So you have calculated a mid. What you want to do, you want that this mid index, starting index, like a starting time or starting day, should be like more, of course, our current index ending time. Yep, this we want. So this can be the potential index that you are searching for. So high is equal to mid, not mid minus 1. Okay, otherwise if it is not, it is like what I explained. If this index is not more than your end time, okay, take an example. If this index is not more than your end time, it means it is somewhere here and you don't want it, of course. So you will increase your mid to mid plus 1. Okay, so you will increase to low to mid plus 1. Yeah, and what is your J below? So let's run it. I think it's easy only, like what when the time is given. Okay, what is it saying? Long. Okay, so this answer is actually adding all the values, so it should be long. Then also it will give some error. Yeah, I don't know why it is. It is saying make your bool function static. Okay, made it. Let's submit it. All the best. It's quite like it's the easiest. Actually, the question is so much easy. Okay, you don't need to think anything. Like just find the upper bound of the ending of the, like from this index, this ending point, find the starting point which is at least more, at least greater. Okay, upper bound, I think it's quite famous term of bind research. So thank you, and I'm sorry that I am bringing this video so late. I'm trying to improve my habits. After a few days I will try, like I should bring at least before 9 a.m. or something. Thank you. Happy Sunday, happy Saturday. Thank you. Bye.